Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm exhausted. I'm actually hungry. When I'm finished with this video, I'm about to go get me something to eat. Starting to feel lightheaded. I just came from the gym. I had ate before I go too, but that already burned out due to the smoothie once again. But anyways, today I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I got another video I gotta push out as well. I'm gonna try to do that video as well today and probably drop it as well today. So I'm unboxing basically upper right, what's the name of it? Upper right torque strut mount. You guys don't even know what that is, huh? But anyways, I'm gonna do an unboxing on it, show you guys what it is. And it's very important to a vehicle, especially any vehicle basically, but especially for Toyotas, Lexus. This is the upper one, you know, that actually hold the engine. You know, without that, you know, we do have some other mounts that, you know, I'll use my key. Ooh, I had bought it when it was not yesterday, the day before yesterday, off eBay, and I got it for, I think it was like 20 something bucks. Oh yeah, we already know how these be. I don't want this to mess my car up. I had just recently cleaned it, recently vacuumed it. So I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm gonna turn the camera that way. Oops, I'm sorry guys. Turn the camera down this way so I don't make a mess. Here it is. This right here, the one that I have, the one that's on my car right now, is basically done. You feel me? It's no good. It's just no good. I should show you guys how it looks like. It's cracked and it's not supposed to. So I'm gonna change it immediately. So as you can see it right here, this is the right upper torque strut mount. For mine's is basically cracked. Alright, so mine's is basically cracked in the inside. And I'm gonna show you guys, this is brand new as well. I'm gonna show you guys how mine's look. Alright guys, I'm outside to my car. Look at mine's. You see that? This right here? Yeah, I see that crack. Not supposed to be like that, so I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna also install the new one. Most likely, I have a feeling that this is a 14 millimeter, so I'm gonna basically have to remove that bolt, take it out, and replace it, guys. It's an easy fix, but I'm gonna cut this video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is just the unboxing and showing you guys what's this upper mount torque, upper torque right upper torque strut mount, or you could call it a motor mount if you want to, but because it do hold the motor, you feel me, it do hold it. But yeah, 14 millimeter right here, 14 millimeter right there. Remove that, pull that out of there, and I'm gonna install a new one. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little unboxing. Until my next video, I'll install the new one and remove the old one. Thanks for watching guys. Peace. Bye bye. Take care. God bless. I'm out. Peace.